I'm Kimberly from the Fat Quarter Shop, and I wanted to tell you all about this new Hidden Grove pattern designed by Jocelyn Ung for It's So Emma. It looks super complicated, but it's really not. It's made up of 4 blocks. We've got a light star block, a dark star block, a ribbon block, and an hourglass block. So I'm going to walk you through the simplicity of all 4 blocks so you can do this for yourself at home. So we're going to start with our light star block, which is super beginner friendly. You're going to take a fabric M square, put it on the bottom left corner of a fabric D rectangle. Using your friction pin, draw a line from corner to corner. Today I'm stitching with Aurifil Color 2000. When you stitch directly on the line, it's going to look like this. Trim a 1/4 inch away, and this is how this looks. We're going to add another square to the other side. Stitch directly on the line, trim a 1/4 inch away, and you're going to make 4 star points for each block. And then we're going to assemble our block. It's super simple. You're just going to add your star points here, fabric E squares on the outside, and on the inside a fabric I square. Follow your pattern for pressing instructions. You're going to stitch a 1/4 inch this way, then put them together and sew them a 1/4 inch. And here is your light star block. So now we're working on our hourglass block that uses half square triangles. So you're going to put a fabric A and fabric J square, right sides together. On the lighter fabric, draw a line with your friction pin from corner to corner. Then you're going to stitch a 1/4 inch away from that line, cut in the center, and press according to your pattern. Your half square triangles are going to have little dog ears, and you're just going to want to clip those off. And we're ready to assemble this into a block. You're going to just pay close attention to the direction your half square triangles are going, and you're going to add fabric B squares, stitch down this line, press, and then stitch those together, and you've got your hourglass block. Now we're moving to our ribbon block, which is a little bit harder than the other 2, but it's still easy. You're just going to assemble fabric L, H, and K rectangles with a 1/4 inch seam and press. Super easy. Then on the back of your fabric C and fabric F squares, you're going to draw a line with your friction pin. Pay close attention to your pattern for how you're going to place these squares. Place them on there, and I like to put some pins before I stitch. Then you're going to stitch directly on the line, trim a 1/4 inch away. This is how your stitch lines would look. And this is going to be your left ribbon unit. You're going to do the opposite on the other, and it will come out like this to be your right unit. You're going to place these together. Your seams will nest if you press according to our pattern, and ta-da, you have your ribbon unit. So my tip to you on this block is just to pay close attention to the direction of the squares that you're sewing on top. Now we're moving to our dark star point, which is assembled the exact same way as your light star point. So you're just going to put a fabric G square on the bottom left of a fabric N rectangle, stitch directly on the line, and press. Then add another square, stitch, and you're going to make for each block 4 star points, and then we can just put our star together. On this one, you're going to have 4 fabric O squares on the corners, a fabric P square in the center, and you're going to stitch all the way down, press, then stitch these. So here is your dark star point, and you can see this quilt looks intricate, but it's very simple. Pick up your Hidden Grove pattern by It's So Emma at your favorite quilt shop or Fat Quarter Shop, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you.